Triple E EDC here, back again with another knife unboxing. Got a package from Blade HQ today. Got my trusty KnifeWorks exclusive PM2. See if I can get this open. Not having great luck. Got to get it from the side, apparently. Doing my best not to show you guys the address. Alright, so let's see what we got here. We've got a Boker Plus. This was a freebie that came with what I actually bought. But let's take a look. So this is a Boker Subcom. Man, that thing's tiny. Actually doesn't feel half bad for how small it is. Got an Aus 8 blade, frame lock, nice little clip, could be a money clip. Could double as a money clip, I should say. Not bad for what it is. Okay, let's get to the real stuff. You guys recognize that? That's right, it's a Hinderer, but not just any Hinderer. This is a Hinderer Balisong, the Nieves. This is the titanium version with the working finish blade. This feels good. So you got the working finish blade, like I said. I believe it's S35 VN. There you can see it. It's got good size on it. Let's see if I can pull this up a little bit. Give myself a little bit more space. It's hard to do this with a camera. Not great, but not as bad as that. But anyway, if you want to take a look at the pivots here, these are good pivots. Let's take a look at the assembly. Let's take a look at the pins. Tang pins. Focus. And this is a nice customizable Hinderer attachment for the inserts or for the pocket clips. So that should be pretty good. The latch is hard to deploy with the pinky. The finish on this is amazing. I gotta get used to the difference in the way this swings from some of my other bellies, but it feels pretty good. I think it's going to make a pretty good flipper. I really love this working finish. I've never had a Hinderer blade before, so this working finish is fantastic. The titanium here is great. I went for the regular titanium, or the stonewashed, I think it's stonewashed titanium. Let me see if it says here. Yeah, Nieves Spento blade, working finish. But I went for that finish on this blade because it's the only blade that they came out with already that had this working finish, and I went for the regular titanium as opposed to the blue anodized or bronze anodized titanium, mainly because the anodization, I haven't had much luck with blue anodization lately. It seems to like to rub off, and so I just prefer the regular color. I can always anodize it myself if I want, but in the meantime, it really has a great classic look and an excellent feel. I really like the feel on this. All right, I think that'll do it for some first impressions. Let's take a look at the fit and finish here. Yeah, excellent fit and finish. Everything's flush. It's a little bit of a snail trail already, I guess, out of the box. But with a Bali, you're going to get that. So even though I could complain about it, I'm not going to. All right, that'll do it. Just showing real quick what else comes in the box. You get this Hinderer Knives logo and some packing peanuts. That's pretty much it. All right, that's it for me. Go ahead and like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll get some more content out shortly. Thanks so much.